Hi, this is Kasumi. In this video, I will show you how I made this Polymerclay jewelry. If you have any question, please comment below. I will answer all the questions. This time I used Scarpi Primo white clay. To add colors, I used alcohol ink. In this time, I used blue, yellow, green, violet, but you can make with your favorite colors. I used hot gun to dry the ink, but you don't need to. You can just leave them and let the ink dry. I forgot to film, but what I've done is I tear them that apart into small pieces and I put them into another clay, which is sky blue clay this time. And I've repeated that process once more. Then I added gold color polymer clay, as you can see. Then I put some seashell flakes because I thought they would look gorgeous with this clay slab. Then I hand cut the clay slab using craft cutters. I like to hand cut my jewelry because I can make very unique pieces, but you can just use cookie cutters or any clay cutters. After the resin is cured, I added another clay to make fins. I wanted to make fish jewelry. For the fins, I used gloss glaze from Sculpey to make them look shiny. These are the Polymerclay jewelry parts I made this time. And this is the final product. I made dongle earrings inspired by angel wings. Also, I got inspiration from peacock feather. And these are the blue fish I made. And these are the final products. I made 2 fish earrings and 1 hair clips. Let's try them on. So this is me trying angel wing hair clips. I put all of my jewelry on my Instagram, and I'll always show how they look like on my story. So please check them out on my Instagram and tell me what you think about my jewelry. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.